Mattress stitch is an easy way to join two pieces of knitted fabric with a stretchy, strong seam. You'll end up with a nearly invisible seam between two garter stitch pieces. I have two pieces of garter stitch fabric with the same number of rows, a tapestry needle, and seaming yarn. I'm using a contrasting color so you can see clearly, but you'll want to use your working yarn for an invisible seam. The key to success is using the structure of the garter stitch fabric as your guide, so that the garter ridges seem to flow seamlessly from one piece of fabric to the other. I like to think of each garter ridge as being made up of little smiles and frowns which interlock. The seam is made by connecting the smiles on one edge to the frowns on the other edge. So with the yarn threaded on the tapestry needle, I'll draw the needle under the first smile in the first ridge of one piece, then pull the yarn through, leaving a tail a couple of inches long. Now I'll draw the needle under the first frown in the first ridge of the other piece, and pull the yarn through, leaving the seam loose. And I'll just repeat those steps working into each garter ridge until I have a couple of inches sewn. Now the knitting magic. Pull both ends of the working yarn to draw the pieces together. Be sure to stretch your seam so that there's enough slack built in. And now those smiles and frowns are interlocking and the garter ridges align all along the seam. That finished seam is nearly invisible. Nice! So give it a try and be sure to follow Interweave for more knitting tutorials like this.